Here we are at NAB Day 3 with Adobe, checking out the cool equipment at all the booths. Okay, we're here at the NCAM booth. This is Aaron's favorite stop of the week, so we're going to get him to tell you a little bit more about what he got to do here.
Well, here I did some augmented reality stuff. I was transported into a little golfing, I don't know what you call it,
Course.
A golf course, and I just got to interact with some of the subjects in there and the objects.
Alright, so now we're at the Canon booth, which is Luke's favorite station of the week. Luke,
yeah, it is.
Can you tell us about the equipment you got to work with some?
Yeah, so these bad boys right here have a 75 tele, which can zoom in farther than my eye can see, which is pretty amazing. Like, working with cameras that only go to about 300 millimeters, it's quite a toy to work with. So I have had a blast here at the Canon station.
These sound really good. I do love this song. That's how it's done. Alright, so we're at the Samsung booth now. We're checking out their awesome LED screens. You can tell the picture is insane on these things, so I'm going to try to get one for my living room, I think.
So, just got back from the Adobe booth where we had the awesome opportunity to have Daniel from Territory Studios come and show us some of the work they did for Blade Runner 2049. One of the things that really stuck with me is how they try to build graphics and user interfaces that feel real and make sense and help tell the story, and especially for Blade Runner 2049, where so much of that world is based on the technology that they are part of it, and that's part of the narrative that it tells.
Alright guys, I just got back to my room after the third day of the NAB conference here in Las Vegas, and I can't believe it's already over. We spent the past several days checking out all the booths and trying out cool new products and listening to demos from a ton of experts, and it's just been an awesome experience. I'm really glad you guys tagged along and got to see some of the conference from our perspective, and we would love to see you out here with us next year because the whole thing is so cool to experience and you get to meet a ton of awesome people, and all of the products are just insane. So we'd love to see you out here next year. We want to give a big shout out to Adobe for letting us be part of your team this week. We had a really awesome time and we really appreciate it, so thank you so much.